A short video to explain the main halacha points about the Shabbat Smart domestic hot water system. Here we are looking at a standard hot water cylinder used in homes for washing in the kitchens and bathrooms. There are two halacha prohibitions for using hot water on Shabbos, bishul and havora. When you open a hot water tap and the hot water is leaving the cylinder, cold water must now enter the cylinder. As if you would close a cold water inlet valve, no hot water will leave the cylinder. The cold water that now enters the cylinder is now being cooked by the high temperature hot water already in the cylinder. This is the prohibition of mevashel. In addition, if the heating boiler or immersion heater are switched on, the cold water entering the cylinder activates the thermostat, which fires the heater. This is a prohibition of mavir. The Shabbat Smart controller, with the help of a pump and electronic valves and high precision, quick reacting sensors, keeps your hot water in the cylinders throughout Shabbos nice and hot in a mehadrin way. Before Shabbos, the system drops the water temperature in the cylinder to below hand recoil temperature, Yad Soledes Boy, and keeps it below Yad Soledes Boy throughout Shabbos. This avoids the prohibition of bishul. To avoid the prohibition of mavir, the Shabbat Smart controller disables the thermostat so the cold water entering the cylinder does not trigger the boiler or immersion heater. Instead, the Shabbat controller triggers the heater by time intervals and stops it at a temperature below Yad Soledes Boy. This is the principle of Sogeret Adelet Bifnei Haner, which is allowed lekatchila on Shabbos. You can find more information in the last edition of Shmir Shabbos Keilchoso, Perek Aleph, Heoro Kuf Lamed Hei.